Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos. Hello everyone. Today in this tutorial we will learn how to use receipt voucher in Mark ERP software. Before the implementation, let's understand what is receipt voucher. A receipt voucher entry is prepared when a firm receives money in cash or by check or by DD, etc. from a customer, supplier or by any other source. It gives the proof of money received from an account. Entry can be made in this head regarding maintenance of cash or check details. It will help to check the status of cash and check. So now, see the process of receipt transaction in Mark ERP software. For that, firstly we will go to Accounts menu, then Voucher Entry and then select Receipt. As you will click on Receipt, Receipt Voucher Entry window will appear in front of you. Firstly, we will enter date on which cash has been received. Then press Enter and from this ledger window, select the company or party name with which transaction has to be posted. Enter the received amount, press Enter. So the adjustment window will appear asking to adjust the amount. Select the bill in which you want to adjust the amount. Select cash or bank ledger by pressing spacebar key in which mode the payment needs to be done. So now as we will receive this amount in cash, so in the debit side we will enter cash, then press Enter. And in the narration field, write down the narration for the records as a reminder. We will enter narration like cash received. Now press Enter and then click on Save. So in this way we can pass receipt transaction in Mark ERP software. Now let's understand the process of advance voucher under GST. For that, click on GST Advance. After entering the date, press Enter and from this Ledgers window, select the party from which you are receiving advance against invoice. Then this GST summary window will be open. Press Enter and from here select cash or bank ledger in GST Advance Voucher. Now we will select the HSN SAC as per requirement. Fill the amount that you are receiving and other details will be filled automatically. And the posting of GST Advance Voucher which is being created has been shown. Now let's come on GST Refund. This option is used when any advance receipt is refunded back to the party due to any reason. After entering the date, select the party ledger to whom you are refunding back advance receipt. Then this GST summary window will open. Select the cash or bank ledger, select HSN SAC and fill the amount and you can see the voucher posting of GST refund which is being created has been shown. So friends, in this tutorial we have learned the process of receipt voucher with GST Advance Voucher and GST refund. Thanks for watching.